Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn EVS of class 4, lesson number 2, Honey, Sweet Honey. In the last class you learned the first chapter, the animal kingdom. In that chapter you understood the life of animals, means similarities and differences. Here you are going to learn particularly about the honey, means honeybees. After studying this chapter, you will able to understand the behavior of animals and the process of collecting honey and its uses. Okay, so let us start the lesson. In this lesson, first we will learn the conversation of some friends like Fatima, Radha and Tejas. These children were standing in a corner in the village fair eating some sweet meat. A few pieces of sweet meat fell on the ground. Soon a few ants gathered around the pieces of sweet meat to eat. Why? Just think of it. Yes, they love sweet. When we will eat something by mistakenly, if it fell down, means ants will come and eat the sweets, no? Yes, in the same way, when these children are eating sweet, the ants gathered around the pieces of sweet meat to eat. Okay, Fatima told. Fatima told to her friend Radha, "Look here, Radha, how many hands have gathered around the pieces of sweet meat?" Then Radha told, "Yes, Fatima. See how unitedly they are carrying their food." In the same time, Tejas came and he told, "Oh, look there, how lovely the kittens are. Do you know the meaning of kitten?" Yes, young ones of cat. So Tejas told, "Look there, how lovely the kittens are." Fatima, "Oh, how white they are. The cat is licking the kitten with love." Okay, the cat is licking the kitten with love. Radha told, "Animals also live together like human beings, don't they?" Yes, like human beings, animals also live together. They love each other, their young ones. Tejas told,
Yes, my father told me that most of the animals live together. Once, when I had been to Nagarhole forest, I saw a herd of deer and elephants also in groups. I saw a tiger also, but it was all alone.
Children, did you see the tiger moving alone in the forest? But the other animals like deer and elephants and many more animals, they will be in groups always. We can see so many wild animals in Nagarhole forest. Okay. Tejas told he saw many animals in Nagarhole forest and all the animals live together. At the time, Fatima told, "Look at the dogs fighting for a piece of bread." Same time, Radha, she told, "Look at the sky. The birds are flying together." The birds are flying together. Like animals, the birds also fly together. Tejas told to Radha and Fatima,
Yes, Radha, look at the tree. The monkey is sitting on a branch.
Fatima, the baby monkey is holding on to the belly of its mother. Radha, oh, what if the baby monkey falls down? Tejas told to Radha and Fatima.
No, no, the baby monkey is holding its mother very firmly.
He told that the baby monkey is holding its mother very Firmly. Firmly means very tightly. Okay. So Radha told, look there, Tejas, the hen is teaching its chicks how to search for food. Radha told to Tejas that the hen is teaching its chicks. Chicks means baby.
Fatima told to Tejas and Radha that look at the honeybee sucking nectar from a flower. At the time, Radha told, come, let us talk to the honeybee.
Tejas answered, Honeybee, honeybee, where is your hive?
Then honeybee told, look there, my hive is in that tree.
Tejas, we see only the bees there.
Then honeybee told, that is my family. Fatima, what? You have such a big family? Honeybee, yes, there are thousands of bees in a family. There is one queen bee and the rest are worker bees. The worker bees do the works such as building the hive, collecting food, looking after the queen bee, etc. The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs.
Do you know, children? A honeybee collects nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in one round. The only food that man eats produced by the insects is honey. The honeybee is telling there is one queen bee and the rest are worker bees. The worker bees do the works such as building the hive, collecting food, looking after the queen bee. The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. Understood? Then Radha told, oh, at the same time, Tejas, he told,
Your hive looks very beautiful.
when Tejas told to honeybee that your hive looks very beautiful, then honeybee told, we produce a sticky material called wax. We build the hive with the wax. We build it on the branches and in hollows of trees, terrace of the big buildings, etc. It means honeybees produce a sticky material that is called wax. They build their hives with the help of that sticky material that is wax. They build on the branches and in the hollows of trees and also terrace of the big buildings. Understood, children?
Fatima, your food is the nectar of the flowers, isn't it?
Then Fatima told to their friends Radha and Tejas that honeybees' food is mainly the nectar of the flowers. At the time, honeybee told,
Yes, we store the nectar in the hive and eat it when we need food. It is the honey.
honeybees store the nectar in the hive and they eat it when they need the food. Tejas told,
I too like honey. My grandmother told me that it has medicinal qualities.
Tejas' grandmother told him that honey has a medicinal quality. So he likes honey very much. He loves to eat the honey. Okay?
Honeybee. True. Do you know that all the honey you eat is not pure? People mix jaggery or sugar syrup to honey and sell it.
Honeybee told, the honey what we are using daily to eat is not pure because people mix jaggery or sugar syrup to honey and sell it.
Fatima, then how do we find out whether the honey is pure or not?
Fatima asked to honeybee that if the honey is not pure means how we can know that it is pure or not.
Then honeybee told to do this activity. Take a glass tumbler, put some water in it, add 2 or 3 drops of honey into the water. If it mixes with water before it settles down, it is not pure honey. If it settles down and mixes with water very slowly, then it is pure honey. Understood?
By this we can know which is pure and which is impure honey. Okay. And also we can see small bees. They build a hive in the space between the stones. And also the size of the bees and the type of the hives are not same. We can see the different types of bees and hives in our surroundings. And also we can see the rearing of bees and the collection of honey near Nagarhole forest. People kept wooden boxes, means wooden honey boxes in gardens, and they get the honey collected in it. And also so many products we get from the hive. Do you know, children, which are the products we get from the hive? Honey, candle, paint, ointment, powder, and ink. These are the things available from the hive. Hives, nests, ant hills, termitaria, and spider's web are the wonderful constructions of the animal kingdom. Already I told you, the only food that man eats produced by insects is honey. Okay, and one more thing. Do you know what is umbrella ant? The ants which carries leaf on its back to protect itself from the sunlight is called umbrella ant. I think you understood this chapter. Once again, read the chapter thoroughly and try to understand. Thank you for watching this video.